Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a Look Fantastic box. Ooh, y'all, let's look fantastic. This one is the February Beauty Box 2022 version 1. It says bed under there. I don't know what that's all about. So Look Fantastic is a Mega Bin Beauty Box. You're gonna get 6 items. They're guaranteed to be worth $60 or more. If you use my referral link, you will get 20% off your first order. Yes, I said order. That doesn't mean the subscription box. Look Fantastic is also a store, and you could go on there and actually buy something through the store and use the discount, which is great. So pricing on this box, let me see. 1 month of this box is $19. Now you can get 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months and lower the price all the way down to $16 if you commit to 12 months. Like I said, I do have a code or a link if you want to try it out. It is all down below. I'll probably pop the little code up over here so you can see it. Miss Cali Cat, everybody. Hi, Miss Cali Cat. What are you doing? It's like every time I go to meow at you, I see that candle and I'm just done. So let's look at this box. And here we go. Hashtag LFBeautybox. Look fantastic. Ads. Okay, so this is a wine voucher. And it looks like it's in euros. So all my overseas friends might get some interest out of this, but it does me absolutely no good. I don't drink wine and I'm not overseas. This is Graze. I have tried this box before and I liked it. Well, I need to get it again and bring it to the channel because there were some good snacks in here. I completely forgot about this box. I tried this before I had a channel. Matter of fact, before I even moved into this house, I was at the other house. I just wanted some healthier snacks to snack on. So this is 1 free box for you and 1 free box for a friend. They're all natural ingredients. Every snack has benefits like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're nutritionally balanced. So you go to graze.com, enter your code, and we'll post a year box for free, which is pretty cool. I may have to do that. And if somebody else wants the other side, just let me know. I'm gonna hang on to this because I'm probably gonna do that. Oh, I loved those snacks. Okay, moving on. Pretty pastel pink color box, spring vibes all over it. And Valentines, you know, all that good stuff. Self-love is in the air. Beauty box edit. And if I remember right, I don't think they have all the products listed in here anymore. Well, they have you a look at what you could get, but I don't think they break it down anymore. Well, those are the editor's top picks, not what's in here. Figs. Facts about figs. Cupid approved routine. Love yourself, the alphabet according to Beauty Box, Valentine's edition. Book club, what's coming up? Okay, yeah. So I might have to pull it up on the infonet so I can tell you what everything is. I will be right back. Just a little tip, when you go on Look Fantastic, it is actually an international site, but you can go down and scroll down and click on USA or wherever you're from, and it'll put it in your currency, all the prices, which is cool. I like that. So now let me see if I can find it. All right, I got it pulled up. Y'all, I'm still not used to this phone. I got a new case and it's kind of bright. I'm looking into this bright pink rectangle and I'm not used to it. Okay. I ordered a purple case, but it has pink on it too. I didn't know. Okay, so let's look in here. So my husband insists that we always get the Otterbox Defender because yes, I'm clumsy. I drop it a lot. It protects the phone, and it really does. I've dropped it off the top of a bleachers before, and it did not have a scratch. So that was just the colors. But anyway, this is what's inside here. Oh my goodness, look at all the goody goodies. What are you looking at, the rain? Yeah? You gonna leave it there? She's like, you see what she does to me. Okay. I'm done playing with my cat, I know. So, the first thing I see is this Lottie London blush in haze. I've gotten this a few times before. It's nice to use it a lot. It's a powder. I've kind of gone a little more towards the creams, but I will grab mine so I can show this one to you. Okay. She's like, man, I didn't make it to her lap before the laptop did. So, mine is well loved, as you can tell, but it still hardly looks touched. Look at this cute ombre effect it has on it. And it is just a lovely blush. Just a cute little peachy color. Y'all, I have stain on this. I'm going to put it on the other hand so y'all can tell better, because there was actually a lip stain on the back of that one. There we go. Meow. Very cute little blush. Let me see. Lottie London blusher, 4 gram, worth $6.95. Achieve a natural flushed look with this Lottie London ombre blush, a lightweight powder that gives your cheeks a delicate tint. So that's one thing. Let's see what this PIXI stuff is. This is a Glow Tonic Skin Treats Exfoliating Toner. Okay. So toner is supposed to make you glow. Interesting. Do like PIXI on occasion. So this is the PIXI Glow Tonic, 15 milliliter. It is worth $2.25. Powered by Glycolic Acid to gently buff away dead skin and impurities. The purifying treatment helps to refine the appearance of pores and stimulate cell renewal to create a brighter and clearer canvas. All right, I have been trying to get rid of these pores, so this is a yay. Yay! Let's just smell it. I really should use some of the ones I have before I open this, but I just want to smell it. Like I can actually get it open. I can't really smell it. So this is Bybi Clarity Cleanse Daily Gel Cleanser. Oh, I like to double cleanse. I like to do a gel, take the makeup off. Then I use actually maybe it's a triple cleanse, because I use the gel to take all the makeup off, and then I use the makeup eraser to get everything else off, and then I actually do a cleanser with the water to take the rest off, and then I use a toner. So wow, yeah, I can't believe I haven't destroyed my skin yet. Let me see. Bybi Clarity Cleanser, 15 milliliter, worth $16.11. This is a combination of powerful antimicrobial and antiseptic ingredients, including rosemary and cypress. It helps to break down dirt, grime, and oil, and smells like a minty forest. Yep. Okay. I hope it doesn't actually have any pine or anything in it, because I am allergic to evergreen with willow bark extract. I don't know, this might break me out. One way to find out. Okay, so this is Balanceme. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum. I think I got some of this the other day too. So I'm not going to open it because I kind of think I got some of this the other day. This is 5 milliliters, worth $13, equipped with hard-hitting ingredients. The formula seeks to minimize the look of puffiness, fine lines, and dark circles. An innovative elderberry flower complex and green caffeine energizes and nourishes, helping it to rejuvenate the delicate eye area. Okay, so maybe I didn't get this. I was just thinking about vitamin C. I had something with vitamin C and I'm scared of it because last time it broke me out. So I'm not actually gonna open this. I gotta think about it and see if I'm gonna actually use it. What are you? Foot Therapy by beautypro, collagen infused booty. Sweet almond and peppermint. Removable toe tip, safe to use with natural nails and gel polish. Okay. So it's a booty where you can take your toes out. It's kind of neat. I never thought about it. But I guess, you know, you're soaking your feet, you might want to paint your nails. Interesting. beautypro foot mask, 17 gram, worth $6.90. These booties are perfect for prepping your feet for summer, or if you simply need more intense treatment to leave your feet feeling soft and revitalized. Interesting. I haven't tried this one before. This is what I'm very curious about. The glov water only makeup removers. Okay, and they're shaped like hearts. These are too cute. I have a lot of makeup removers right now. I may actually put these in a giveaway. But I do like the glov products. Let me see. Glov heart makeup removing pads, worth $8.05. This luxurious soft material that covers the pad glides across the skin, effortlessly removing makeup, dirt, and grime. Look how super cute they are. And they are soft. But I'm probably gonna put them in a giveaway because I use the makeup erasers and I have a bunch of them in there. But there are 2 in here, vegan and cruelty free. Very cute. All right, I think this is the last thing. And this is Dr. Botanicals. This is LM Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. So it's a body butter. It is 50 milliliters. You know, I am obsessed with the lotions and the body butters, and I will probably keep this for myself. It is worth $14.91. This moisturizer combines shea butter, almond oil, coconut oil, and lemongrass for an ultra hydrating treatment wherever you need it most, for the face, body, and hands. This will be your new go-to wonder product. Cool. Apothecary Natural Collection. Very neat. Curious about the lemon smell. Dr. Botanicals. Did I say Dr. Brand? I meant Dr. Botanicals. Sometimes it just I catch myself and I'm like, wait a minute. But yeah, still a good brand. I have to. I gotta try it out. Lemon fresh. Am I gonna love the lemon scent? I'm not sure. It's not always my favorite thing. I'll still use it. Very interesting. Very soft. Yeah, that's it. So what did y'all think of the Look Fantastic box? Neat box. Lotion and cleansing gel and eye serum and toner and makeup remover and foot mask sock thingy and blush. Do I wish there was more makeup in it? Yes. But still, skincare is always a good thing to do. So I think I'm happy. You know, $19. I think it's worth it. What do y'all think? But to me, and this is just me being real, they don't look like full-size products. This looks like a deluxe sample. This looks like a sample. I don't know. That could be a full-size product, but I just don't know. These are small, but maybe. And, you know, these are normally sold like this anyway. So, I don't know. Still fun. You know me, I love it anyway. Y'all, let me know what you think. Comment below. Press all those buttons. I would really appreciate it if you do. Y'all, thanks so much for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.